In a world where giants ruled the tech landscape, one man dared to challenge the status quo. Meet Michael Dell, a visionary who turned a humble idea into a multi-billion-dollar empire. This is the story of how Dell Computers redefined the way we think about technology and business. Buckle up as we dive into an inspiring journey filled with risks, innovation, and incredible determination. Michael Dell was just a teenager when he first dipped his toes into entrepreneurship. Picture this: a 19-year-old college student sitting in his dorm room at the University of Texas, tinkering with computers. But what if I told you that while most students were busy cramming for exams, Michael was crafting a revolutionary plan? He believed that personal computers could be built more efficiently and sold directly to consumers, cutting out the middlemen and slashing prices. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. In those early days, Michael faced skepticism from everyone around him. Friends and family questioned his decision to drop out of college to pursue his dream. "Why take such a risk?" they asked. But Michael had a vision, and he knew he had to chase it down, no matter the cost. With just $1,000 in his pocket, he launched PCs Limited from his dorm room in 1984. The first few months were tough. He struggled to find customers willing to buy his custom-built machines. But instead of giving up, Michael embraced those challenges. He started to innovate, tweaking designs, listening to customer feedback, and refining his sales strategy. Then came a turning point. In 1985, Michael made a bold decision that would change everything. He dropped the retail model altogether and focused on direct sales. Imagine this: by selling directly to consumers via phone orders and later online, Dell could offer better prices and more personalized service. Talk about flipping the script. As orders began pouring in, so did the challenges. The company was growing fast but had to scale operations rapidly. There were supply chain issues, production hurdles, and competition knocking at their door. Yet, through sheer tenacity and strategic thinking, Michael tackled each obstacle head-on. He negotiated better deals with suppliers and invested in efficient manufacturing processes. By 1988, just 4 years after launching, Michael took the leap and went public with Dell Computer Corporation. It was a monumental moment. The stock soared, validating everything he had worked for. People were starting to believe in him, and that belief spread like wildfire. Fast forward to the 1990s, Dell was on fire. The company introduced groundbreaking products like the first laptops and desktops that could be customized by consumers themselves online. Can you imagine? The world was changing at lightning speed, and so was Dell. But success doesn't come without its setbacks. Enter the dot-com bust of 2000. A dark cloud hovered over many tech companies, including Dell. Sales dipped, stock prices plummeted. It was a tough pill to swallow for Michael and his team. But instead of wallowing in despair, they pivoted once again. They revamped their strategy, focusing on enterprise solutions instead of just consumer PCs. Through grit and relentless innovation, Dell bounced back stronger than ever. By embracing new technologies like cloud computing and storage solutions, they transformed from merely a computer manufacturer into an IT powerhouse. Today, Michael Dell is not just known for creating one of the largest technology companies in the world. He is also recognized for his philanthropic efforts through the Michael and Susan Dell Foundation, which focuses on improving education, health, and family economic stability across various communities. What's the takeaway from this incredible journey? It's simple. Never underestimate the power of perseverance. Michael faced countless challenges along the way, from doubts cast by others to fierce competition, but he never lost sight of his vision. Michael's legacy isn't just about computers. It's about redefining how we approach business in an ever-changing world. His entrepreneurial spirit continues to inspire millions, proving that with passion and determination, anything is possible. So remember this: if you have an idea that ignites your soul, don't wait for permission or validation from others. Take that leap of faith like Michael did. Forge your path, because who knows, you might just change the world too. And there you have it, the extraordinary journey of Michael Dell. From dorm room dreams to global tech titan, an inspiring tale that teaches us all about resilience and vision. Keep chasing those dreams, You never know where they might lead you.